My name is Klaus Meyer. I've been working as a project manager at the Gropper dairy since 2014. I'm responsible for the dismantling and assembly of Line 1. Line 1 has been in operation at Gropper since 2007 and has performed very well, and is now being replaced by a new Krones pet aseptic. We're here at the Gropper dairy at Line 1. The Line 1 is to be dismantled and replaced by a new Krones line. My job is to monitor and coordinate with the customer to ensure that everything runs smoothly, so that the deadlines are also met. The next step is to move the blow molder off the Line 1 level. It's driven out completely and will be lifted off with the crane today. Here I am at the most difficult position to move out the machine, because here is this 90-degree curve, and in this area I have to change the direction of the machine several times so that I can bring it parallel to the opening again. When dismantling the blow molder, attention must be paid primarily to the blow molder itself. It has a weight of 25 tons and must be moved out, and it's actually quite difficult to transport. At the moment, I'm standing in the area of the old Line 1. As you can see, it's already completely empty. We're currently carrying out renovation work, such as, for example, changing tiles. Today is the first day of delivery of the new Krones line. We're getting delivered the filler and the sterilizer with the crane today. We'll bring it back in from outside using the solid rollers and taking exactly the same route as when moving out, so that the systems come to the new Line 1. Today, the aseptic filler is brought, delivered in several parts. It's important that the segments are installed in sequence.
My name is Günther
Strutz. I'm project manager at the Krones company, and I'm responsible for the entire project of the Gropper company. The special features of the filler are 4 products with different flow rates can be clearly filled on one filler in sequence. Today we're installing the Vario pack, which was delivered in 3 parts. The special feature of the machine is that 4 different products are distributed properly sorted onto lanes at the infeed. I'm the team leader of the assembly team, and we're installing the line. The special feature of the sleeve applicator is the clear assignment of the product to the sleeve applicator and the check for correctness of the sleeve. So today is the last big day for us. It's crane day. The blow molder is lifted in with approximately 12 tons. It's already hanging on the crane behind me and is about to be set down again. We're now lifting in the preform oven. It has a weight of 7 tons. We're now swinging it over here, place it on solid rollers and drive it into the hall. We're currently on the roof. Now is the crowning finale of the crane day today. We lift the cooler with the crane onto the roof needed for the blow molder. Commissioning of the line takes place after completion of the I/O check and full inspection of the step sequences.